Happy Mother's Day, everyone!
Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers
You guys,
out there.
welcome back
and
to
all
my
the
channel.
soon-to-be mothers, and those of you who don't know your mother.
Guys, I really wanted to show you quickly what this boy surprised me with today. So y'all know I'm on keto, and I can't have carbs or anything like this. So Justin is like, you know what? I'm gonna surprise you for Mother's Day, and have all keto meal, which it can be for people that are not on keto too. Anyways, you guys, so this is here. I have ribeye roast, American Wagyu. Look at this beauty over here. So we're gonna cook this, you guys, with our jalapeno poppers, and I usually make my own, but Justin said that he does not want me in the kitchen today at all, and I'm okay with it actually. You guys, look at this beautiful lobster tail, and I mean, look how huge this guy is. Do you guys see how much meat is here? Look at this. I know I'm touching it, but it's my lobster, it's my tail. Justin also got me this pink gold crab cluster. Look at this beautiful. Okay, so I got this, and then we got some veggies, you guys. We got asparagus, we got some mushrooms. Oh, and we got sliders. And then Walmart has this amazing keto-friendly Hawaiian sweet rolls, and they're only 2 net carbs per roll, you guys. So how amazing it is! I can even have sliders today.
First, we're gonna go get the jalapeno poppers going on the grill.
Yes.
Probably throw these on there. Do jalapeno poppers and sliders as appetizers.
Let's get to cooking, you guys. Look how beautiful is outside today. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous time to grill. They look good.
Yeah. Martha usually likes to make these on her own.
I do.
She does them so much better than you could buy them in the stores. But I don't want her to go through all that today. And I can't make them. So.
What a sweet
I bought 'em.
husband you are.
But don't tell anybody.
So this came out very, very delicious, actually. We'll go ahead and start on our little tiny mini sliders that I'm actually very, very excited about.
Bingo! Oh, that's perfect. That's perfection. We even got grill marks on the mini bird. We're gonna have pickles. These mini cheeseburgers. Shoot, plate's not big enough, of course. I never plan ahead all the way. Next is steaks.
Okay guys, let's go ahead first and season this beautiful, gorgeous steak. Oh my God, that looks so good, you guys. Look at this. I'm gonna bring it up closer to y'all. So I love steak. It's such a good piece of meat, you guys, that in my opinion, all we need is a little salt and pepper. Do you have something else though? When did you do the steak? With the salt and pepper or something else? Okay, so here my husband crusted this piece of ribeye here with oil. Did you put this? Rib roast and steak. I guess we'll try this. We'll try this as well.
You can do your standard and you can do mine with the rib and I can do mine this way.
Okay, so we're gonna put a little bit of salt. We're gonna put a little bit of pepper. Oh, I forgot the olive oil, because it's gonna go on a grill, so it needs to be. Can I have the olive oil, Justin? So we're gonna need a little bit of olive oil, you guys. Justin. You guys saw, and he knew there is nothing, but he did hand it to me. There's more olive oil in the back in the pantry. Okay, so there you go, you guys. A little bit of olive oil or a little more.
You just drowned the poor steak.
I did drown the poor steak. It's okay, it's gonna go on the grill. It's gonna fall off. Look, the edges, look how beautiful this is, Justin. What are you saying? This is perfection. Okay, I'll add a little bit more here. I guess not too much now because I still have on my hand.
Oh, you good.
Okay, so there you go, you guys. And we're gonna add a little more pepper. Look at that. I always add more, you guys, just because I love black pepper that much. You don't have to. And salt, and this has to stay for at least half an hour. You will bring and it'll tenderize it, and it's gonna be perfection, you had sliders and we had jalapeno popper, so our bellies are full. So I was like, you know what, let's do the seafood in the evening. So now we're gonna do dinner. We went to the pool. We had so much fun today. Right now, actually, you know what? Justin bought this mushrooms. I'm gonna stuff them, and I'm going to stuff them, you guys, with cream cheese. We love cream cheese. It's very keto friendly, and cream cheese is just good. But this chive cream cheese is the best. So let me show you how we're gonna do a little concoction here. I put some bacon into the oven. I actually had some leftover bacon from the other day. We made strips. We didn't eat them all. I had 4 left, so I'm like, I'm not gonna throw them away. I warmed them up, and now they're probably really, really crispy. But we do need bacon bits, so hold on. Yep, they're very, very well done, but it's okay. That's what we need. We need now to crumble them. Let's go ahead now and we'll make this stuffing for them. Here I have the chive cream cheese, so we're gonna put a good amount. You know what, I'm actually going to mix it. I'm gonna mix the chive and just the regular one. I'm adding some sharp cheddar cheese right here. I'm adding some garlic powder, you guys. A bit of onion powder, salt, and pepper. And now we can go ahead and mix all this. And you guys, now we're gonna add some of this bacon bits. Ooh, perfect. Look at this. I don't have much bacon, so I'm using, guys, whatever I have in handy. Because I left the other pieces that I have to put them on top of them. And you guys, this is it. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil. Like that. A little bit goes on the table. Oh, well. Look at that. We're gonna put it on the grill. So we want a good amount of olive oil, and we're gonna do this. You see how some went on the... Look at that. Yes. Because they're gonna go on the grill, so we want them really oily and you know what I mean. There we go, guys. And now we can go ahead and stuff them. Here's the stuffing mixture. I hope this is enough mixture that I have here. I'm going to top with some extra cheese like that. And now I'm going to use the rest of the bacon that I have left. I have just a little bit left, so I'm gonna put a little bit on each, but a little bit will go a long way. And that's it, you guys. Look how beautiful this looks. It looks so gorgeous. And actually, that's enough bacon. I don't have any more, but that's enough bacon. We'll take this to the grill. And while this is grilling, let's get that lobster ready for the oven. The lobster cooks fairly quickly. So while Justin is getting yes, sweetheart, you wanna come see it?
Oh my God.
Isn't it really
Huge.
I know. You wanna say hello to YouTube?
Hello, YouTube. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there, like even people that doesn't watch.
Here, Justin, here's the olive oil. It looks huge,
I've never seen that. It looks different on camera. It looks smaller.
It does look smaller on camera, right?
Zoom
You
in.
guys, this is this is really,
Oh my God.
really, really, really
Is that the
huge.
meat?
We need to butterfly it, and let's do that first. Oh boy, this looks good. Yes, it's, oh my God, this is so, oh lordy. It is a good one, yes. This is sweeter than the red ones, and a slightly different taste, yeah. Okay, you guys, so now that we butterflied, we have to bring all the meat through. We're going, come on. We have to open it. We have to look at all the meat, you guys, in. And then we have to detach it from here. Bear with me, I'm gonna show you what's going on. There you go, it's coming out. Beautiful. And now this will stay just like that. And this will cook just like this. I'm going to go rinse this quickly. Look how huge and how much meat, you guys, this has. So the best thing to do this is very simple. Garlic and butter and nothing else. I want nothing else on my lobster tail. I don't know, maybe there are other recipes out there that are done differently. I like my lobster tail as simple as possible, you guys. And I like it just butter, lots of butter, lots of garlic. So let's go ahead and do that. So first we're going to preheat our oven at 500, you guys, 500 degrees. That's what the recipe says. Perfection. Here you guys, I'm melting 1 stick of butter. We're gonna use some to go on the lobster to baste the lobster, and the remaining we're gonna use it after. Now that it's melted, I'm adding, you guys, about 4 or 5 cloves of garlic, and I minced them, and I'm adding this much, you guys, because I love garlic, and honestly seafood is just so good with garlic. And you know, I'm making this also for the king. I might need to make more, because remember, you guys, we also have those king Alaskan crab legs, so we'll need those for that. You know what, I'm going to add a little bit of smoked paprika in here. The combination of smoked paprika with garlic and butter is just so awesome for any seafood. And we mix it, you guys. It smells like heaven. Okay, let's go ahead and add a little bit of olive oil at the bottom. And I'm gonna put my lobster tail. And you guys, look at this goodness. It's gonna go right on top. And honestly, it's just, lobster is such a good meat, just like steak. You don't want to put too much in there and make too big of a concoction or whatever you call it. You just want it simple. And what's better than garlic and butter? Yes, I did add a little bit of smoked paprika because I want a little bit of heat, but if you don't want the heat, garlic and butter, it's all you need for this. Look how gorgeous it looks and how meaty. We're gonna put this in the oven at 500 degrees, you guys, for about 8 to 10 minutes. My lobster is in the oven cooking. My mushrooms are outside on the grill cooking. And now we have this guy here. This is the Alaskan king crab cluster right here. You guys, it's actually pre-cooked. I think that's how it always is, actually, even when I go and buy it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break it in smaller sections, and I'm going to give it a quick boil, maybe like, you know, a couple of minutes, put in a hot water just to warm it up so we won't need it cold. So what I'm doing now is I'm breaking this cluster apart in pieces like that to throw it in a boiled water and warm it up. And that's all I'm gonna do to this. I want to show you guys just how much meat one of this has. So I see all these mukbangers that they do on YouTube. They use this, and then they break it apart, tons of meat in there, and you just get it out and dip it and eat it. So you guys, my mushrooms are ready. Look at this goodness. Oh my God, the smell is so good. Oh, Justin said just smell them. They do smell divine, you guys. These are the best mushrooms ever stuffed, I promise you. They're so hot. I'll try one, but they're so hot. Let me show you. Let me get one and show you. Look at this beauty. Look at this beautiful mushroom over here. Hey, perfection. Everything is pretty much done. The lobster needs about 5 more minutes. And now remember that steak that we pre-seasoned earlier today. And oh my God, the longer it stays with salt and pepper, the better it is. It's already on the grill, you guys. Let me show you how it looks. Perfect. Justin, you know how to cook a steak. You guys just got this straight out of the oven, and I think it's all ready. I actually left it not for 5 to 10 minutes, but more like 15 or so, because this is a very big lobster tail, so we need a little extra time. So gosh, I really just want to cut into it to make sure that it's ready before, and it's perfect right here. Look at all this juices inside. It's perfect, it's perfect. Okay guys, now let's go ahead and check on this. Juices everywhere, that's not a bad thing. We love medium rare to rare, so where's the knife? Where's my pink knife?
In your hand.
Oh, whoops. It is in my hand. Haha. Let's see if this needs a little extra time or not. Oh my god, this is... Oh my god, this is... Oh my god, look at this. Oh, yes. Okay, hold on. Yes. This is perfect. Okay. Yep, this is great, you guys. That looks great. This one, this is thicker and even more rare done. And I love it like this. Okay, my beautiful people, so listen, everything came out delicious because I already tried. Now we're gonna wrap all this food up nicely and go upstairs in a movie theater and watch a movie. We don't ever actually eat in the movie theater, but today we want to spend some more quality time together, watch a movie, and kind of, you know, just eat all this great food that we cooked today. Once again, happy Mother's Day to all the amazing moms out there, and for the soon-to-be moms, of course. I love you guys, and we're gone.